Haga pratrik unai lur ki Khynnah Skul juga pain maun ki la penlong ka jingya khi de ka badengnya ki ribon yong hapala juga skul ban Dawa Weng no eka principal jong ka skul. Kani ka jingya khi jong ki ka long ban pensngau ye ki jing ko atre kam bar ka jing bamla ban penbyang kar kum ka jing dan kam juga skul kum ki pan Khynnah ka ki fan lembat ki wei ki jing dan kam jong ki Khynnah. Nakalang ki Khynnah Skul kila kerpa de ka sorkar ban sngap lem ya ki jing Dawa bar ki jing dan kam jong ka skul ban Weng kam no mardo de ka principal jong ka ni ka skul.
Classes 9 to class 12, we are standing here for the cause of the removal of the principal of Pinemount School. We want our rights. We would like for there to be better facilities in our school, better toilets, a library, and many other facilities that we will make known later. But as for today, we stand here, the senior representatives of class 12 and class 9, 10 and 11 of Pinemount School. We stand here today, we would like to say, please heed our request. There has already been an investigation committee prior. We have not seen the results. We would like for there to be a change in Pinemount. We would like to see changes. Our girls have suffered long enough. We would like for there to be a change. We also request the help of the parents. Please help us. Solemn request to the government. Please, Sir Conrad Sangma, and the other ministers who are watching, and the rest of the government as well. Please heed our request, sir. Please watch. We are the students of Pinemount School on behalf of KG to class 12. We are requesting, please look into the grievances that have been committed against our school. Please look into the facilities that we do not have, that we are supposed to possess, that we are as citizens of India, as minors of the state and as young girls entitled to. They are our educational rights. So please, we hope that you will heed our request at the earliest possible. Thank you.